Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watch. I'm the host for South Carolina weather, Joseph Peterson, and let's go ahead and start off with the weather for Tuesday. Looking down at the U.S. right now for the radar, South Carolina is doing relatively fine. We do have again those flood warnings and seem like to be a couple of dense fog advisories for down here near kind of like Beaufort, the border between Georgia and South Carolina towards the coast. And other than that, that's all we're experiencing right now. We do have this line or this low pressure that we were talking about yesterday that's kind of like spinning, but instead of it going eastward, it's going northward, which is very interesting. And then you can also see this whole system right here that's going to bring us the heavy rain. You got the cold air, you got the warm air, and mixed together, and it's just gonna is that's why we have a day one excessive rainfall outlook for parts of South Carolina today because of this heavy rain right here. But we will talk about that when we get there. Going over to the central U.S., we do have some snow up here near just south of Bismarck and Fargo for North Dakota. We also do have some warnings all the way up into Wyoming, Idaho, Washington. I'm not even gonna, no, not Washington. Sorry, Oregon. In California, we also do have a little area right there for Santa Fe. That is a fire weather watch, and then we have high wind warnings for parts of the parts of just north of Cheyenne. It seems like, and even though that the west does look clear for right now, another Pacific storm is on the way, so it's not going to be good for them. But another Pacific storm is on the way, so and you already know we've been inside this period for a while now, and it's just the period that we're in. Here is our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now. We do have some isolated cloud cover for the western portions of South Carolina. We also do have some cloud cover over there just southwest of Myrtle Beach as well. So just some isolated cloud, nothing too bad, but for sure something that we need to watch for when these things move in, for when this rain moves in, I should say. Here's our current temperatures: 59 in Greenville, 61 in Rock Hill, 62 in Columbia, 64 in Charleston, 66 in Moncks Corner, 62 in Orangeburg, 59 in Anderson, 61 in Myrtle Beach, 62 in Loris, and 62 Sumter and Florence. So that is our current temperatures right now. Here is our maximum temperatures for today. Maximum temperatures can reach around 74, Columbia 75, in Sumter, Florence 65, Myrtle Beach 69, in Charleston 74, in Augusta 72, in Savannah, and the 70s up there inside the Upstate. So a warm day today for sure. A warm day. Here's our max wind gust for the next 24 hours. Could see a gust close from 15 to 20 miles per hour throughout most of South Carolina today. But again, that's still nothing breezy. That's still not enough to make it even that really breezy at all. So we don't have to worry about any type of wind, gusts, any breezy conditions, any damaging winds, anything that comes with this wind. But we do have to worry about rain, because 24 hours out from now to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, around 7/10 of an inch will fall inside Greenville. 1.2 inches will fall inside Augusta. 0.3 will fall inside Charleston. 0.2 will fall inside of Myrtle Beach. And 0.2 will fall inside Florence. So from now until 7 a.m., those are our rain totals. Around 7/10 to Columbia. And 0.8 inches near Augusta. So if you're on the west side of Columbia, this is how I kind of look at it. If you're on kind of like the west side of Columbia, you will get a lot more rain. If you're on the east side of Columbia, you will not really get that much rain. So yeah, that is our 24-hour precipitation total. So definitely bring that umbrella with you today. Actually, I won't even say today because I don't really think the rain is gonna fall. Well, actually, we'll check now and see actually. But here is our model guidance. You see, around 8 to 9 hours from now, we might start to get those storms up there inside the upstate. So after that, we push forward some more, and they really start to get into the region. So if you're inside the upstate, I probably would carry that umbrella. But if you're inside somewhere like the low country or the PD regions, you probably don't have to worry about it for right now. So you don't really have to go with an umbrella today. But tomorrow, yeah, everyone for sure is gonna want to bring an umbrella with them tomorrow. Um, so definitely make sure that you do. There goes that low pressure as it goes over us, and it will be out of our hair. And then like a little, the back side of it, instead of it bringing snow on the backside, it brings rain on the backside, and then it will be completely out of our hair. And we may have a couple more, just one more shower or so, around 48 hours out from now. But and that's it. So here is our SPC outlook for today. Today we do have a marginal risk of severe weather. That's a level 1 out of 5 or isolated storms. That does include New Orleans, Miami, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Hialeah, Shreveport, Alexandria, Lufkin, Texas, and Little Rock as well. We also have Jackson, Mississippi, and Greenville, Mississippi. So if you know anybody inside those regions, please let them know. There is a 2% chance for a tornado or two to form for Miami, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Hialeah, and Orlando as well. And then we do have that 5% chance for damaging winds for everyone for in the marginal. And then we only have the hail risk for this region up here for New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Shreveport, Little Rock, and Jackson, Mississippi as well. So, you know anybody inside the marginal risk? If you look at your screen, please let them know. And we also are under a TSTM. Well, most of us is under a TSTM. That means a thunderstorm cannot be ruled out inside South Carolina today. So we will be watching for that. Here's our day 1 excessive rainfall outlook. Obviously, western South Carolina and the upstate is included inside of this. 5% chance of flash flooding is possible. So if you're inside the upstate or western South Carolina towards like Augusta, Savannah, please watch out for some isolated flash flooding. And that's going to about wrap this up. Thank y'all so much for watching this forecast update, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I was doing good as well. I'll see y'all this evening with another forecast update.